So land transport, LAND, land transport, 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 land transport. These are some means of land transport we see in a city. So villages we know which are the means of transport in villages. Bullock cart, tonga, tractor. These are the means of transport we mostly see in villages. Now in city, which are the means of transport we can see in a city? Yes, first image, which is the image that, name that image, then the transport. It is a, yes, it is a train, isn't it? Train. So train we can see in the city, TRAIN, train. Next image is of a, next image you can see there is a, oh yes, bus, BUS, bus. Then the next image is of, that also you learned the spelling, isn't it? Yes, a vehicle which has 3 wheels. Yes, it is auto rickshaw, isn't it? Yes, auto, 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 RICK, rickshaw, SHAW, auto rickshaw. Then next image, which, what is that vehicle's name? It is motorcycle, isn't it? Yes, MOTOR, motor, then cycle, CYCLE, motorcycle. Then next image is of, yes, it is a, which image you can see here? It is a car, CAR, car. Then next image, yes, it is a scooter, 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 SCOOTER. Then the next image, see this image, have you seen this? Yes, you can see people pulling this, man pulling this rickshaw and taking the people and going. Yes, it is cycle rickshaw we say, cycle rickshaw, CYCLE, cycle, then rickshaw, cycle rickshaw, RICK, rickshaw, SHAW. So cycle rickshaw we can see. Then the other one, next image is of, yes, nowadays we can see this also. It is battery rickshaw we say, okay, battery rickshaw, battery, which runs on battery, battery rickshaw, okay. This is the vehicle which runs on battery, using battery it runs. See, battery rickshaw it is. When we go to zoo and all, there you can see this, isn't it? In some shopping malls we can see this battery rickshaw which runs on battery. In current you have to charge it, then it runs, okay. Then last one, yes, that you know your favorite, it is bicycle, BICYCLE. These are the vehicles we can see in city or on, these are called land transport. So these vehicles that moves on road, these are all land transport. So which are these vehicles that, which are the vehicles that move on the road or land transport vehicles? Examples are train, then bus, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, car, scooter, cycle rickshaw, battery rickshaw, bicycle. These are the vehicles that moves on road or land transport we say, or these are the vehicles that we can see in cities. The vehicles which we can see in cities are these: train, bus, auto, car and all. Or we can say they move on road or they move on land. The vehicles which we see in city and move on land or road, they are land transport. Tell me children, all these vehicles have wheels, isn't it? Most of the vehicles move on wheels. Most vehicles move with the help of wheels. Vehicles like bicycles, scooters, motorcycles. Yes, from this itself we can see, understand, no? Motorcycle, then bicycle, then scooter. How many wheels they have, children? Yes, these all have two wheels, isn't it? Two wheels they have. What about bus or auto rickshaw? Auto rickshaw has three wheels, that you know, isn't it? Yes. A car has four wheels. Yes. A bus has 6 wheels, isn't it? Yes. And here cycle rickshaw also has 3 wheels, isn't it? You can see the image there. Already you have seen the image of a cycle rickshaw. See the image of cycle rickshaw again. How many wheels it has? Yes, just like auto rickshaw only, it has 3 wheels. Okay? Yes. Then yes, so most of the vehicles they have wheels, and vehicles like bicycles, scooters and motorcycles, they all have 2 wheels. Auto rickshaw and cycle rickshaws have 3 wheels. Cars have 4 wheels. Buses and trucks have 6 wheels. Trucks, big lorries. You can see truck. You can see the image here. Truck, bus and all, they have 6 wheels. Can you see the image here? Truck image, truck. Yes, it has 6 wheels, and bus also has 6 wheels. So most of these vehicles run on wheels. Different vehicles have different wheels. There are 2 wheels for some vehicle like bicycle, motorcycle and all. And some vehicles have 3 wheels like auto rickshaw. Cycle rickshaw, auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. Then there are 6 wheels for buses and trucks, isn't it? Yes. So different vehicles have different wheels. So most of the vehicles, they move on wheels. Yes. Now what about this train? Train moves on land. That's why it comes under land transport. It moves on land only, but they run on railway tracks, isn't it? You have seen train moving in the railway track, isn't it? On land only they are moving, but not on the road. It has a special track called railway track. So train moves on railway track. Train moves on railway tracks or railway track, T-R-A-C-K, track, isn't it? Train moves on railway tracks. Train moves on railway tracks. It is a land transport. It moves on land, but on a special track it moves. It is called railway track, R-A-I-L-W-A-Y, railway tracks. They carry us from one city to another. Yes, in train we travel long distances, isn't it? From one city to another city we travel. Also from one state to another state also we travel. From Hyderabad to Kerala we can travel. Hyderabad to Bangalore we can travel, isn't it? Yes. Then metro trains run on elevated tracks and underground tracks. So can you see the image here? It is the image of a metro train, isn't it? Nowadays we can see metro trains in major cities. In most of the cities we can see metro trains running, isn't it? Yes, many people takes the help of metro train to travel. Yes, so they run on elevated tracks. Means the tracks that is little bit above the road. The tracks are made from the road level little bit up, it is track. And some tracks you can see it is underground also. Some tracks they made on underground, under the down to the road. Some they are made above the road level. It is called elevated tracks. So metro trains run on elevated tracks and underground tracks. Anyway, these trains only, they are running on tracks only, isn't it? Yes. So trains run on railway tracks. Metro train runs on elevated tracks, or we say underground tracks. Elevated means above from the road little bit above, up. Underground means from the road little bit down. They are the fastest mode of transport within the city. They are the fastest mode of transport, means they reach fast. When we travel in metro trains, the trains reach fast to the place. That's why people are traveling mostly in this metro trains to the place where they need to go. Especially people those who are working in office and all. If your parents are working in office and all, they have to travel a long distance. Instead of traveling in motorcycle or bus and all, it will take much time. But in metro train, they can go to the office very easily. Means metro train takes them very fast. They can reach on time. They can save their time. They reach so fast when they go in metro train. So in many cities we have metro train today. So they reach so fast. So you can see the image of metro train, as well as you can see the image of a train also, isn't it? Yes. So these are the land transport. So we learned about land transport, the means of transport that moves on road, or we say moves on land. Land. Okay. Yes. The vehicles that moves on land are called land transport. Train, bus, auto rickshaw, motorcycle, scooter, cycle rickshaw, bicycle, battery rickshaw. These are the vehicles that moves on land, isn't it? Among these vehicles, some vehicles have 2 wheels, some have 3 wheels, some have 6 wheels. Like bus, trucks have 6 wheels. Cycle rickshaw, auto rickshaw has 3 wheels. A bicycle, motorcycle, scooter has 2 wheels. So most of the vehicles, they move on wheels, we know. Without wheels, they won't be able to move. Okay. But trains, they run on a special track called railway tracks. And we have metro trains today in every cities, major cities, many of the cities we have metro train which moves very fast. Yes, they also run on tracks, elevated tracks or underground tracks. Metro trains moves on elevated tracks or underground tracks, and they reach fast also. So these are the land transport. Which are the land transport, children? Can you tell the examples of land transport? Yes, come on, tell me. Yes. Bus, car, auto rickshaw, scooter, train. These are metro train. These are all land transport. Very good. So far we have seen about the vehicles or transport that moves in villages, that transport that mostly we see in villages, and means of transport in cities, land transport, etc. we have seen. Okay. Now vehicles moves on road or moves on land, we know. But there are other vehicles that moves in air. Yes. Which vehicle it is? Which transport it is? Yes, aeroplane, isn't it? Yes, aeroplane moves in air. It is a means of air transport, we say, isn't it? Air transport. Air transport. A-I-R. Air transport. T-R-A-N-S-P-O-R-T. Air transport. Air transport. Example, aeroplane. A-E-R-O P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E, aeroplane. So aeroplanes are means of air transport. They move in air. They fly in air, isn't it? They move, or they are the means of air transport. They fly in the air. They carry us to far away places, isn't it? If you want to go to another country, very far away from here, we use this air transport or aeroplane. In a very short time we can reach, isn't it? They carry us, they carry people to far away places within very short time. Within few hours we can reach long distance, like from India we can go to America, Dubai, isn't it? These long distances to another country we can travel. Within short few hours we will reach there if we travel in aeroplane. Aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. It is the fastest means of transport. This is air transport is the fastest means of transport. Why? Because we can reach far away places within short hours or short time we can reach there, isn't it? That's why it is called the fastest means of transport. Have you ever traveled in an aeroplane? Yes, some may have traveled, some may not also, but they will get chance to travel, isn't it? Yes. So if your relatives or if your cousins, anyone are there out of the country, abroad, abroad means out of India, anywhere, then if you can go there, you can go there to visit them. When there is a vacation for you, you can go there, isn't it? Yes. Then you can go in an aeroplane, isn't it? And not only abroad, outside India, within India itself we can travel in aeroplane, isn't it? Yes. From one state to another state also we can travel in the aeroplane. Yes. So aeroplanes are the fastest means of transport. Aeroplanes means of air transport. They fly in the air. Within short time we can reach far away places. Can you see the picture of air transport there, means aeroplane there? Yes, ATR aircraft. You can see an aeroplane also, you can see both the images you can see here. ATR aircraft and aeroplane. ATR aircraft is the number one aircraft, the number one company who manufacture, who make the aeroplanes, that is ATR. The famous number one aeroplane we say. ATR aircraft you can see there, and the aeroplane image you can see here. These are the means of air transport. Yes.